know. New Patek on my wrist, yeah. White diamond and them shits in pink, yeah. Got coin to go get a mink, yeah. New finger ring shit like a sink, yeah. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yae Bee. So y'all just see the switch up, right? Y'all see that 2-for-1 special? I know y'all wondering how the fuck you get that hair on. Bitch, where's your braids? Girl, they right under here. All you gotta do is pin up them braids in the back when you tired and put on one of your wigs, and that's how you do it, okay? Versatility is key. You gotta be a different people. You wanna go from LaWanda to Beyonce? All you got to do is throw on that wig, y'all. I ain't saying you wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yae Bee. Hey, 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 Yae Bee. Hey, hey, hey. Do the Auntie Mary. Do the Auntie Mary. Alright, if you guys want to see how to get this look, then stay tuned and keep watching. But don't, hold up. Y'all keep coming back for these videos. So obviously, y'all like what y'all see. Y'all like my personality. So please go like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all keep coming back. You might as well subscribe. You know, join the Yae Bee family. I am more than welcome, y'all. Come join the good side. But anyways, if you like what you see, then continue to watch the video. Alright, so brows are already done. I did them off camera. Your girl's feeling herself. Yeah. Y'all, this hair is from IC Beauty Hair. I literally ordered this. Well, no, it is. I ordered it over the summer. And look at her. Yes, I dyed her myself. Alright, let me stop. My face is already prepped with primer as well, but I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Skin Rose Water. Roses really smell like yeah. In today's video, we're gonna be doing something different. I'm actually not going to prep my eyelids today because I just wanna, you know, try something a little different. First, we're gonna take one of our blending brushes and we're gonna take the Mirage palette. I really want to use this pink, but see, it don't go with my headband unless I change headbands. BRB. All right, got the new headband. Y'all see this? See the pink? Okay. I'm gonna try and stay within the palette today. I don't want to really switch it up. So we are going to first take Lushly, and we are going to put her onto the outer corner. Ooh, that looks nice. Girl, who you looking good for? Tell me. I need to pin my hair up because this junk annoying. Alright. The reason I got this headband turned to the side because this little thing is ugly, and I don't know who would invent such a headband to where there's a circle right there. That's not cute. So that's why it's turned to the side, but nobody gonna know because your girl hair's covering it. You feel me? Next, we are going to take Mahi and pop her on the inner corner. So I'm just gonna pack her on there, and this is very pigmented. I am going to go into Mainland, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner with the same brush that I used for the other color. That makes a pretty purple. Wow. Girl, you is doing that. You better do the daggone thing. If you not your own hype man, what you doing, sis? Hype yourself up when you do your makeup. Boost your confidence. It's okay if your eyeshadow is messy in the beginning, if that's like the first step that you do, because honestly, like y'all can literally see, I be dragging it all the way down here because I gotta make sure my color is blended. But at the end of the day, y'all know that I use the concealer to cut that part right there so you won't even tell. See, look at that. You even got me neat. Look at that. Y'all, I I'm telling you. Y'all better start listening to me. I'm low-key. I want to do some blue. Am I dragging it? Y'all let me know I'm dragging it if I put some blue. Dang, this blue is so pretty. I think I'm going to put the blue on the inner corner. Ooh, I don't want to mess up my look though. I won't mess it up. You guys. I'm going to take this blue right here called Riviera, and I'm just going to pop that on the inside. Let's see how it looks. It gives it kind of a silvery effect. Ooh, yes, auntie. That did exactly what I wanted it to do. Exactly what I wanted it to do. You go, girl. Now we are going to use Miss NARS in the color Macao. I got the foundation stick. This is actually my first time using it, so this is the first impressions. Blend Miss Macao. This blended out so beautifully. If you put it down right, just the way I want it, baby, I'ma fall in love with Macao. Conceal with the Born This Way multisculpting. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all just see how I drew that line? That's how you clean up that makeup. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild contour brush, dip that in the NYX Hollow. Chiseled. You chiseled. Yes. Time to bake with Miss Laura. Time to dust it off. Hey. Time to dust it off. Hey. We're gonna use the e.l.f. black eyeliner, and we're gonna give ourselves a wing. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. All right, after struggling for 20 minutes to put on my lashes, I don't know why every time I try to put my lashes on camera, they never work out. We are sworn enemies, but you know it's okay because they organize, they look cute, so you feel me? I am going to pop some of that pink right here called Maui and put that on my bottom lashes. Take grapefruit, which is a darker color. Yeah, there we go. Yes, we're gonna use her. Now I'm gonna go into my Sephora palette. My man's got me this, y'all. I forgot to. Silver. I don't want to do it. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this little palette by ALMAY. And basically mix all these colors together to get, ooh, yes, to get my highlight. We're gonna go on with our NARS Lonely Hearts. Gonna add some more on top. All right, time to set this face. Y'all, this looks so good. Yes, girl, you did that. You did that. Always remember, be your own hype beast. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all. Make sure you keep coming back. I really enjoy doing makeup. All right, but thanks guys so much for tuning in. See you later. Bye.